So before I start this little tutorial, I just wanted to point out that it takes practice, a lot of practice. Keep in mind that not all winged eyeliner looks is going to suit everyone's eyes. I know there's certain winged eye looks that just does not fit my eye shape. Let's get started. This is really close and I don't like it. I gotta do it for you guys. I would draw my shape first, because that way if I don't like the shape, then I could correct it without starting all over again. So what I do is I take a pale eyeshadow. Like I'm just gonna use like this brown, and then an angled brush, and I'm just going to draw the shape. So I do one for every day and then one for, that's more dramatic. So I'll start with the everyday. So, here's my eye. Okay, my eye is small and it also has like a fold. It's hooded. We're trying to create a winged eye look that will help lift up my eye and open it up. So I'm just gonna take some eyeshadow and to draw the shape first. So I'm looking at my mirror. So the first trick I would say is to keep your eyes open, especially if you have hooded eyes, so that way you know how the eyeliner look will look when your eyes are actually open. Because if you keep them closed and you do it, it's not the same effect, because I have this weird fold. If I draw the line with my eyes closed, I think it will look funny. So what I do is I keep my eyes open, and starting from my guide is looking at my bottom lash line, and then I'm just going to like stamp it there. You see it? Stamp it toward the edge of my, what do you call this? Eyebrow. And then if you think it's too long, too thick, well then you can just use a Q-tip and erase it. So I'm okay with this. And then I would just use the tip from the corner down. It's probably the line would be right below my, what do you call that? My pupil? Is this my pupil? This is the pupil. So it's probably just before, I'm not looking straight, but just before my pupil. So keeping my eyes closed, because I have that fold, if I look down, I'm like, okay, that looks okay. If I open it, it looks okay. So I think I'm happy with that. It's a very cute little flirty wing. This is my flirty wing. So now I'm gonna fill it in. I'm using Huda Beauty's Lifeliner in Extreme Black. And I'm using the liquid side. Now, you can also just keep using the eyeshadow to make your wing line. This will be a softer look. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you how you do it with the liquid eyeliner. So I'm tracing that little triangle, keeping my eyes open, drawing it, and then filling it in. There. It's not perfect, but it will do. It really does take practice. Even I make mistakes. I screw it up and I have to redo it. Okay, and then definitely use false lashes. Oh, false lash. Okay, I'm not gonna make you use false lashes, but curl your lashes. You have to put mascara, or else it just, I don't know. It just doesn't look complete without mascara. It's not too much. And you can see it kind of gave me a lift. Yeah, it's a little flirty. A flirty winged eyeliner. Okay. If you make mistakes, then that's absolutely normal, because this is like one of the hardest things to do, I think. Okay, now we're gonna try to repeat this on the other side. Now that's the hard part. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just going, ooh, okay, that's too much. Okay, I'm drawing, oof. Okay, what an angle. Oh, I don't like this angle. Okay, I'm gonna draw my triangle. I'm gonna keep my eyes open. To meet. Okay, drawing it. Let's see, does it look? Does it look the same, right? Okay, let's try that. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. So I'm gonna trace that triangle from the outer corner and the shape with my eyes open. There. Okay, it's not perfect, but I tried. This is okay. I think it will do. Just gonna lightly. Where's the button? Just lightly continuing. Something else like continuing. Is that what continuity? Continuity? Am I making up a word? Oh no. Okay. It's okay. I'll fix it. Because I'm putting my false lashes, so there, it's gonna hide it. But there you have it. This is like a simple everyday winged eye. Let me just put my false lashes and see. I'll be back. Okay, so here's the finished look. Okay, even though I made some mistakes, which is, it's okay, it's natural, you can fix it, or you can hide it like I did with my false lashes. Oh my God, please ignore my nails. But, so, it turned out okay. So, it just takes practice. Don't give up, because this look is just, winged eyeliner look is just classic. It just gives you an eye lift. It's fun, it's flirty, it gives you a different look. You know, before you could even use liquid liners, start with pencils and eyeshadow powders. Just have fun with it, practice. That's what I'm saying. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And if you did, I would like to know, so let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.